We're gonna have a stop at one of the most famous waterfalls, one of the waterfalls that was used in Leonardo DiCaprio's show, The Beach. But first... So guys, this is it. This is the waterfall where Leonardo DiCaprio jumped down. Unfortunately, it's not allowed to jump down from here, and it's raining, so it's a bit cold, and I would like to do it actually. So look at that one.
The big one, you don't get it.
How do I walk back now? I have no idea, but I have to figure it out. Somehow, I shouldn't slip in here. I hope there's nothing that's going to bite me. Shit, it doesn't look stable, to be honest. Fuck it. Slipping. I want to jump.
They didn't say anything about jumping. They just said about swimming.
Walking down is fine, but walking back up is horrible. Next stop is Tuscany. You say what? Tuscany? That's in Italy? No, we have it in here in Thailand also. So let's go there.
Seize the moment.
What's up, big guy? This is a different one. So we wanted to go on a hike, but unfortunately it's still raining after 1 hour of waiting. And I suggested we can swim in the rain while hiking, but they're against it.
Yes. I can drive, you don't need an app.
Right where we almost arrived at the camping, so we just prepare the camp.
But what are you going to do in camp?
No, we have to open our camp and we go for the
Yeah, we can open it like at night, it's no problem.
No, do not. And then we have no space. We have to looking for the nice spot.
Nice spot.
Nice.
Nice butts.
You're only not TV. Not TV.
Be careful, there's